Hello friends, let's learn how to derive Arrhenius equation in chemical kinetics of MSc Sem 1 physical chemistry. First of all, we know equilibrium reaction A plus B which gives C plus D. It is equilibrium. We can see rate constant of forward reaction is K1 and rate constant of reverse reaction is K2. So according to law of mass action or rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. We already know that. So for the forward reaction, rate will be equal to rate of forward reaction RF is equal to A and B, proportional to A and B. Also we can write down RF is equal to K1 AB. Similarly for backward reaction, we can write down RB is proportional to C and D, or we can write down RB is equal to K2 C and D. Now when the equilibrium reach, rate of forward and backward reaction equal, so RF is equal to RB, so K1 is K1 AB and K2 CD will be equal, because left hand side of both the equation will be equal, so right hand side also must be equal. So we can write down K1 upon K2, A and B will go to denominator of C and D, so our equation will become K1 upon K2 is equal to KC. Now ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. ऑल्सो अकॉर्डिंग टू वॉन्टॉफ आइसोथर्म, जो वॉन्टॉफ साइंटिस्ट दे हैव गिवन वन इक्वेशन ln Kc अपॉन dt इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा E अपॉन RT स्क्वायर. नाउ पुट दिस Kc वैल्यू इन गिवन इक्वेशन, सो आवर इक्वेशन विल बिकम लाइक दिस. नाउ we can also write down delta E is a energy difference, means we can write down in the form of E2 minus E1. Also we can write down it in the form of E1 minus E2. जो भी आपको लिखना हो वो लिख सकते हैं. So now we can also write down division in the form of the minus in the ln form. So d ln K1 upon dt and minus d ln K2 upon dt. Our equation will become like this. Now compare both the side, K1 and E1 term and K2 and E2 term. So our equation will be like this. D ln K1 will be equal to E1 upon RT square and K2 वाला टर्म किसके इक्वल होगा, E2 के इक्वल होगा.